Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Keema, for Keema Chiles Interiors, darling. And today we're working on the last video installment for the Belcher project. The next video will be the Belcher reveal for the living room, and I'm so excited for you guys to see that. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the family, and you will see when I finally drop the Belcher reveal. But this is the first time that I have someone that is using my talents to help make over their home, and I'm so grateful and so appreciative for the opportunity. And I appreciate you guys following along, all of the great feedback I've had and the support from this little community that's growing. If you have been following me, you know that I've been working on the Belcher estate, as I said before, and I have built a lot of furniture, custom furniture design for the Belcher estate. We have did benches, mirrors, tables, all kind of things. We'll go through the whole thing when I do the reveal, but in this last video I am building a end table for the Belcher estate. So I'm only using plywood and epoxy. I purchased this epoxy from the Michaels. It is mainly a craft epoxy. It's not really made for, you know, tabletop stuff like that, but I wanted to try this cheap one before I went and got an expensive one. There are things in this video that I would change if I do it again, but it was a great learning process and it turned out pretty neat. Now let me tell you, there really wasn't no inspiration that I saw online. I just really got the materials and I just went for it. You know, there are videos online to guide you through how to like dye epoxy and make a beautiful countertops and stuff like that. I just used those same videos to make this table. The process was very easy. It was not very time consuming as well, but you will see all of that in a video. I really appreciate all of you who have watched and subscribed this far. It makes my little it makes my little heart sing. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you. My Instagram will be down below, so will my Pinterest. And let's get right into this video. All right, so now that we are caught up, oh, nope, it's not giving farther away yet. All right, so now that we have caught up to present day, I'm out in the field, honey. Oh, it's blurry back there, girl. You can't see the things that I have, but I'll show you. Back here, I have all the tools that I'm gonna need. I have the wood that I wanna work with, the bundle to fill any gouges in the wood in the sides, primer, buckets for the epoxy, 2 spray paints for my color. I have some paper cups to mix the color up, and I have these little stirrers to stir up the paint color. In this portion of the video, I'm going to be mainly focused on trying to perfect the wood, make sure all the gouges are filled, make sure all of the cracks in it is filled for the epoxy. So with that, I'm going to be using this Bondo, Bondo high bond filler to go in and fill all of the things on the sides of these, because the people told me to do it. I don't wanna, but I will.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Other man, I don't know no other man.
Oh, this shit dries so damn fast. Look how much I done wasted. This is hard. I guess I gotta do a little bit at a time. I'm trying. All right, so this is the new sander that I purchased to sand those edges down. And I got this for like $39.99. And I also got these sandpaper, $2.20 for the top one and $80 for that grit, girl.
You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Me, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
All right, we only have a little bit of daylight left, and we're gonna try to pour the epoxy, okay? Because I'm gonna get this done. So you gotta mix this and this, pour it in another thing, mix it again, and then you can pour it on top. But I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of spray paint in these cups to get different colors. Hopefully it works. And I wanna go in the house and get some glitter real quick. All right, this is the first pour. You can see some of the marbling. Oh, I thought someone was throwing my phone. You can see the reflection. But you can see some of the marbling. I most definitely added too much green. Over here, way too much green. But you can see some of the things that try to come out, I live. Now I gotta just try to move it around so it can do the whole thing. All right, guys, I have did the pour. You can barely see it because of the reflections, but look at that veining of that marble. I did another one over here. Like I said before, it's a little green. Oh, look at the sunset. It's a little more green than I want it to be, but that's fine. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to peel the tape off and let it pour if it's gonna pour. I don't think I had enough. I had enough for one. I thought I had enough for two. It said 4. It said 8 square feet. This is 6 square feet, and it still was not like enough to make it pour off the sides. So, but I made it work. Honey, I used every last little bit of the pieces that they had. So I'm gonna pull the tape off and we're gonna check in tomorrow. Bloop. I purchased 3 of these L brackets, and then I'm also purchasing 3 of these whiteboards for the feet so we can get this marble paper done. I was all up on this, y'all. I didn't even see it. Honey, she said, I'm scared. Me too, girl. What is with me and all the human nature? I mean, the mother nature these couple of days. Let's go. I'm in Lowe's, by the way. Using this 120 grit and this sanding block. Alright guys, so when we left off, I was staining the wood. The wood has been stained. I had a bit of a trouble getting them on, honey. And so I got 4 legs on, but it's super wobbly. So now I'm cutting support pieces to run from here to there on both sides and maybe at the bottom. I have some extra pieces here that we're gonna make this girl sturdy, and I also have some feet to put on her, just some pads so she don't scrape the floor. Girl, scared me.
Put it on, spread out,
Oh, okay, sir.
spread out, street to a penthouse, spread out, street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, bitches talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it 'cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your ass.
All right, guys, here's the table. Oh my goodness, it has taken a minute to get it together. It has been shortened, and I got this frame situation down. Beautiful. The only thing I gotta really do is go in and fix this one. I put it on upside down, so that's fine. I just gotta stain it to match the rest, and we're going to install her, and the Belcher project living room will be done. While that dries, I'm going to upcycle this lamp that I had myself, and I'm just going to spray it black and install it. I love to give my stuff away, child. Alright, so the lamp is taped off. Now I'm about to take the sanding block and just scuff it up a little bit because it's so smooth and we need something for the paint to adhere to.